From the Forewarn Weather Center, Chief Meteorologist David Paul.
We're looking at warm weather ongoing, warmer than normal all the way through the weekend and into early next week. More clouds than sun, but a little more sun will mix in over the coming days. Today we were in the upper 70s, lower 80s in Spotsville, 78, in Mariana 74 now, in Dothan 75, Ozark 77, in Andalusia. Check it out. The southeast part of the country remains very, very warm, and this pattern will hold over the next several days. Not much rain to show you on the Doppler radar picture. At this point, some showers south of us and east of us. Some pretty good rainfall again today, parts of Georgia, but rain chances here pretty low for the evening hours, for the overnight, and for the coming days, but not zero. Some lingering light showers remain a possibility. We have a hurricane down there in the Gulf of Mexico. We have snow back to the west over parts of the Rockies. What a difference here. Winter-like air. Meanwhile, some really late summer-like air almost in place, and humidity across the Gulf Coast. And again, a big hurricane down there in the Gulf of Mexico. So the pattern kind of stuck in place. As we go through tonight, that means very mild, well above that normal low, which is in the upper 40s. We're talking low temps around 70 tomorrow morning at 6. And watch out for some patchy fog because it is so humid out there, so much mugginess in the air. And with these longer nights, there's more of a chance for some fog to form. So heads up tomorrow morning as we go through tomorrow. Clouds, but a little sun may try to mix in. More clouds than sun. High temps upper 70s to lower 80s again. Most areas staying dry tomorrow evening as well. Lower 70s by 10 p.m. going into Saturday morning. Low temps upper 60s. A few breaks here and there for our Saturday, but some more clouds will fill in. High temperatures again upper 70s to lower 80s with a slight chance of a stray shower for Saturday and Sunday too. All right, here's your tropical update. Due south of us in the Gulf of Mexico, we have a hurricane. We're also watching what could be another area of low pressure forming there in the Caribbean going into the weekend and next weekend. Some disturbed weather out there in the Atlantic. The big story, of course, is Rafael. Thankfully, it is not moving towards Florida or moving northward towards the northern Gulf Coast. And typically storms this time of year would be moving somewhere up into this direction, but it's not happening. The flow in the atmosphere is taking it westward, and it is really a powerful hurricane, a very well-defined eye at this hour. Max sustained winds at 105. There could be some strengthening yet as it moves to the west, but eventually it looks like it will run into some wind shear and weaken the circulation. Where does it go? A lot of the models kind of stall it now somewhere here in the western Gulf. Some drop it southward and weaken it. Some drifted northward, but it looks like the impacts will stay down there in the Gulf of Mexico. The coast tomorrow, looking at red flags. The water temperature at the beach is at 76 degrees. Our low tonight, 70. Under a mostly cloudy sky, again, a slight chance of a shower, but more importantly, some areas of fog tomorrow morning. And then for tomorrow, more clouds than sun, but a little sun tries to mix in for the PM hours. 82, our high. Rain chances on the low side. Same thing for the weekend and into Monday. High temperatures, give or take, lower 80s, 82 pretty much every day. Low temperatures for the weekend in the upper 60s. And then as we go towards, say, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll watch a cold front try to come together and move on through with a chance for a few showers and thunderstorms. Some uncertainty with the timing and the strength of that cold front, but generally looking cooler for the end of next week, both high temperatures and low temperatures. But still no 40s yet on the 7-day forecast. If we were doing a 10-day forecast, you would see some 40s the way it looks now. So we'll watch that cool air. I know some people really want that chilly weather to come back in. It's on the map. I mean, it's snowing in Denver today. It just wants to hang out there. It doesn't want to come visit the south.
And for some people like myself, I am okay with
Right.
that. But I know that a lot of people are thinking, you know, it's November. We're starting to reach mid-November at this point, so people want it to be chilly. And I understand. I would like it a little cooler, but hey, I'm going to enjoy the 82 while we have it because I know I'm going to miss it in a couple of months.
I'll take some sunshine. These gray days get kind of old.
They can drag you down.
Yeah, they really can. Man, really not a whole lot of sun for the coming days, but some hope for next week.
Can't wait, David. Thanks so much.